latest innovation that has come from South Korea is Salmon DNA, or what is known as polynucleotides. So before we talk about polynucleotides, we really have to differentiate between what are polynucleotides, it's a mouthful, and what are PDRN, because they're completely different materials, different molecules, and different structures. Polynucleotide is the thing that gets injected. It is the one that has been published for the treatment of anti-aging, and at the same time creating a scaffold for collagenesis. So that's how polynucleotides work. And the way that they come from is that they come in from the salmon. And the nice thing about the Rejuran, the one that I'm going to be using, it comes in from wild salmon. So it's not really salmon that's harvested or farmed. It's actually coming in from the wild. Polynucleotides work in two distinct pathways. One pathway exacerbates and basically allows pretty much the formation of new collagen. The other one is considered to be a salvage pathway, because what we're doing is that we're injecting, it gets pretty much recycled with all the different materials that are found inside our skin. At the same time, it gets utilized by the body to produce also new collagen. So these two pathways will work pretty much in, basically in conjunction with each other to have the patient appear and look better. And we also have to make sure that we are using something that is correlating very well to us when it comes to its reconstituents to that of the human and gets injected without having any problems. So what are we going to be doing today is that we're going to be injecting Rejuran, and Rejuran comes in different forms. The one that I'm holding in my hands is Rejuran H, or Healer. This is the one that contains about 20 milligrams of polynucleotides and gets injected pretty much across the face and also the neck. Rejuran I is slightly less in terms of concentration. It comes out very, very easily. And it's mainly because it's Rejuran I, it's written with an I, it's mainly utilized for thinner skin, especially in the skin of the eyes. And then there is also the Rejuran S. Now the Rejuran S is a little bit more of a thicker material, and it's pretty much highly concentrated, and it's really utilized for the utilization of scars, even though at least it can also be used for rejuvenation with great results. How it's going to be divided, you divide pretty much the treatment into threes. So you would inject the patient initially, then ask the patient to come back and see you in 3 weeks, and then another 3 weeks for a total of 3 treatments, 3 weeks apart. And the injection, of course, has to be intradermal. So we're going to be very, very superficial. You're going to see these little blebs that are going to occur on our patients once they are injected. And you tell the patient that the downtime is anywhere between 24 to 36 hours. They will still have those blebs until they dissipate and go away completely. For a successful salmon DNA treatment, first, make sure it is salmon, nothing else. Make sure that it's polynucleotides, not PDRN, that's being injected, and make sure that it's a trusted brand name.